Hey guys, welcome back to UpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you, we'll be discussing with you how to fix YouTube not working. But first, check our special offer in the description. So, let's get started. So, if you're having problems with YouTube here and you're getting the something went wrong or there's a problem notification here on YouTube, well, there are a few things that you may want to know. So, the first thing that you may want to do is you want to make sure that the time on your phone where you're using the YouTube app is actually correct. Now, the thing with YouTube, it's part of Google's ecosystem. So, meaning they consistently double check the time, and if your time or the time on your device is not correct, well, in this case, this will cause a lot of issues, especially for apps connected to Google. So, in this case, you want to open up your settings here. And inside your settings, you may want to visit your date and time. So if you don't see immediately in here, you can go and just basically type it in at the very top here. Just type in date. Just search for it. And once you do see the date and time option, just basically change it or update it. Now, I would highly recommend you to choose the automatic date and time option here so that it will automatically correct itself once you've connected to the internet. And from then on, you may want to turn on the set time zone automatically as well. And once it's actually set up or once your time has been updated, you may want to do a short restart on your phone and see if that actually helps. Now, if that doesn't help, the next thing that you may want to do here is just continue as you would. Now, the thing sometimes with YouTube, now this is kind of weird. Now, if you do see the something went wrong notification here on YouTube, don't worry about it. You can still use the app. You just need to click on the search bar or the search icon at the top right here and start searching for whatever you want to see or want to watch. You can even go to your account here at the bottom right here and you can even view or see your history and start watching from there. Now, you don't need to do something special here, but just in case that doesn't help, you just need to exit the app, right click or press and hold on the YouTube app, click on the app info notification or pop up here. Just click on force stop at the bottom left, click on OK, click on clear data at the bottom right of the screen, click on clear cache, click OK. And once you've done that, you want to open up the YouTube app again and see if that helps. And that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.